Hey, accidents happen. Any pet owner knows that. But coming home to one of these accidents to see that Roomba made it worse, well, no one signed up for that. Sounds like a job for iRobot engineering. Poop comes in many shapes and sizes. We built over 100 physical models of poop. We trained our algorithms on over 100,000 images. At the end of the day, it worked. And the Roomba J7 comes fully equipped to both identify and avoid. Number 2.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
The Shark AI Robot XL can create a detailed, complete map on its very first run. So in no time, you'll get a map of your home that shows up on your Shark Clean app homepage. This is how you can control cleaning schedules, select specific rooms to clean or avoid, and you can even tell your Shark AI robot about a really difficult mess and send it to ultra clean that area. The faster the mapping is complete, the faster your setup is finished, and the faster you're ready to clean.